So I'm at the absolutely beautiful Lakeside Café at Lytham St Anne's in Lancashire. Obviously, being on the coast, as well as a hospitality venue, let's not forget, people come here for a lot of fun, to eat, drink and be merry. These tables have got to take a huge amount of abuse, and that's exactly why they've chosen recycled plastic. As you can see here, the planters, they're all doing good. And some of these have been here, some of these tables have been here for many years. So that one is at least 6 years old. As you can see, they're all pretty much mint. Pretty much as they were when they first arrived. All they'll ever need is a little bit of a wipe down. And particularly useful having these planters made of recycled plastic, because I've just seen on the other side there a dog walking past and cocking his leg. And as you may or may not know, animal wee is a bit on the corrosive side. So, but it doesn't, of course, affect recycled plastic in any way. It's looking at everything from the long-term perspective. Recycled plastic for the win. As you can see, it's a little bit more sheltered around this side, so if it is blowing a gale when you come up here, come to this side. If you're on the Lancashire coast and you're looking for something to do, Lakeside Café, absolutely gorgeous fish and chips, superb ice cream, and wonderful hospitality. It's very, very friendly staff. So this is really 100% recommended.